ये रोज कल मुबारक सुबहान मैयरानी.
Assalamualaikum wabarakatuh. My name is Bashir Tahir. I'm Nazim Reception Batul Fitu. Our service is to give information to people when they come from abroad or locally that where they can get their AIMS card, their passes, car passes, or where they're going to register themselves or where they're going to register for accommodation. We also provide services. They can sell. They can buy a ticket from us, a train ticket from Huddersfield to Alton Station, and also we arranging shuttle service to Islamabad and to Hadikatul Mahdi, and also we give information how to travel toward the London. Thank you very much.
ये रोज कल मुबारक सुबहान मैयरानी.